Hello everyone, this is MD Channel for English. My name is Mazen. Today we have another video of how to use American idioms every day. Today's idiom is a horse of a different color. A horse of a different color. Now, if you would like to know the meaning, then please just keep watching. Hi again. So what does it mean, a horse of a different color? A horse of a different color. Now, in American English, when you say that there is something or someone is a horse of a different color, it means he or she is different, or the thing or the topic is different. For instance, I can say, Sarah and Branda are really friendly. However, Samir is a horse of a different color, which means he is not like them. He is not friendly. He is very different from them. Another example, if you were talking about a subject and then one of your friends talked about a different subject or a different topic, then you can say, hey, that's a horse of a different color. I'm talking about a thing and you are talking about another thing. Finally, and as usual, I would like to thank all of you for watching today's video. Please, if you like it, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. What's even more, I would like to ask you today to use this idiom in sentences down in the comments below so I can see them and correct for you if you are right or wrong using these sentences.